In order to become rich and powerful, it is vital to have a clear understanding of what these phrases mean. There are many paths to becoming rich and powerful, but the most common denominator is always success. Achieving wealth and gaining authority within your professional or personal life requires hard work, determination, and systematic risks. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how to become rich and powerful. Some people work hard their entire lives and never achieve either goal, while others seem to be born into it. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, a few general tips can help anyone on the path to riches and power. To cut the ado, here are the tips. First, determine your goals and focus on what's important. There's no single path to riches and power, but there are some commonalities that many successful people share. One of the most important things is to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Whether it's amassing a fortune, gaining political influence, or simply making a difference in your community, it's essential to have a goal to strive for. Once you know what you want, you can focus on the key areas that will help you achieve it. For example, if your goal is to become wealthy, you'll need to focus on building up your financial resources and developing a network of influential friends and allies. Similarly, if your goal is to gain political influence, you'll need to work on building support among key groups and leaders. The most important thing is to stay focused and work hard towards your goals. With determination and perseverance, you can achieve anything you want. Second, learn as much as you can about business and finance. If you want to learn how to become rich and powerful, you need to start by learning business and finance as much as possible. The more you know about these topics, the better equipped you'll be to make intelligent decisions that will help you build wealth. There are several ways to learn about business and finance, but one of the best is to find a mentor who can teach you the ropes. A mentor can show you how to create and grow a successful business, and they can also guide how to invest your money wisely. If you're serious about becoming rich and powerful, find a mentor and start learning everything you can about business and finance today. Networking yourself with other successful individuals is how to become rich and powerful. One of the most important things you can do if you want to be rich and powerful is to network with other successful individuals. There are a few reasons for this. First, you will have access to their resources and knowledge by networking with successful people. This can help you learn about new opportunities and make better decisions. Second, networking can help you build relationships with influential people. These relationships can give you an inside track on deals and promotions. Finally, successful people tend to know other successful people, so networking can help you meet new contacts who could further your career. If you want to be rich and powerful, network with other successful individuals. Fourth, focus on building multiple streams of income. This can be accomplished by owning several businesses in different industries and investing in real estate and stocks. Diversifying one's income sources is the key to achieving financial stability and ultimately wealth. The more sources of income an individual has, the less likely they are to experience hardship if one stream dries up. While it may take more effort to build multiple income streams, it is well worth it for those who want true financial freedom. Those who are content with only one income stream are much more vulnerable to economic fluctuations and sudden changes in their circumstances. Building multiple income streams is the best way to secure one's financial future and attain true wealth. Fifth, invest in yourself and your education. If you're hoping to one day become rich and powerful, investing in yourself and your education is essential. While there is no guarantee that you'll achieve your goals, developing yourself professionally and academically will give you a better chance of success. Investing in your education will make you more marketable and qualified for high-paying jobs. If your professional development, consider taking classes, attending seminars, and reading industry-related books and articles. Additionally, networking is critical for making connections with potential employers and mentors. By putting effort into your personal and professional development, you will increase your chances of achieving your long-term goals. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Sixth, live below your means and save as much money as possible. Anyone looking to become rich and powerful must first understand the importance of living below their means and saving as much money as possible. One of the quickest ways to become saddled with debt is to spend more than you earn. By contrast, those who live below their means and make a habit of saving will find it easier to accumulate wealth over time. Even if your income is modest, you can still become rich and powerful by carefully managing your finances and making smart investments. The key is building your nest egg early and resisting the urge to spend lavishly or unnecessary luxury items. Following these simple principles can lead you to riches and power. Seventh, work hard. Of course, no one becomes rich and powerful overnight. It takes hard work and dedication to achieve success. No matter how talented or lucky you may be, you won't get far without putting in the hours. If you're serious about becoming rich and powerful, you need to be willing to work hard and make sacrifices. This may mean working long hours, taking on multiple jobs, or pursuing social activities to focus on your career. Whatever it takes, remember that hard work is essential for achieving your goals. 8. Give back to others. Although it's essential to focus on your career and goals, giving back to others is also important. Those who are genuinely successful often find ways to use their wealth and power to help others. This can be done in various ways, such as donating money to charity, volunteering your time to causes you care about, or mentoring someone less fortunate. By giving back, you'll not be making the world a better place, but you'll also be increasing your happiness and satisfaction. Then, live a healthy lifestyle and care for your mind and body. Living a healthy lifestyle is essential for both your physical and mental well-being. Eating right, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Additionally, taking care of your mental health by managing stress, spending time with loved ones, and doing things you enjoy is essential. Not only will living a healthy lifestyle help you feel your best, but it will also increase your success. After all, you can't be rich and powerful if you're not physically and mentally fit to take on the world. Believing in yourself and staying positive is how to become rich and powerful. Of course, there is no guarantee that you will become rich and powerful if you believe in yourself and stay positive. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take risks and seize opportunities. And when you stay positive, you maintain the motivation and drive needed to persevere through challenges. But if you don't have these qualities, it is unlikely that you will ever achieve true success. So if you want to increase your chances of achieving your goals, start believing in yourself and staying positive. Finally, be persistent and never give up on your dreams. Last but not least, remember to be persistent and never give up on your dreams. No matter how often you fail or how difficult things get, keep moving forward. You'll never know what you could have achieved if you gave up. So if you want to be rich and powerful, don't give up on your dreams. Keep working hard and never give up. You might find yourself achieving the impossible. These are essential points to remember if you want to become rich and powerful. Of course, no guarantee following these tips will lead to success. But if you're serious about becoming wealthy and influential, they're an excellent place to start. So what are you waiting for? Start working towards your goals today, and you might find yourself achieving the impossible. Success takes hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. But it is possible to achieve if you're willing to put in the effort. Remember to stay positive, never give up, and keep working towards your goals. With some luck, you might find yourself achieving the impossible. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.